Whispers from the sands. Did Egyptians map the human body? Ancient Egypt, a civilization of monumental achievements. They built towering pyramids, a testament to their skill. Pharaohs reigned, commanding a complex society. They left behind stunning art and intricate hieroglyphs. But what did they know of the universe within? The human body, a marvel of biology. Did their wisdom extend to our own anatomy? This question echoes through the corridors of time. Their society thrived for millennia, nourished by the Great Nile River. They charted the stars with remarkable precision. They developed mathematics to build their world, engineering feats that still inspire awe today. Yet, the body presented a different kind of frontier, a landscape of organs, bones, and flowing life. Did they possess a map for this internal world? Their curiosity was vast, but how far did it reach? Let's sift through the sands of time for answers. The evidence awaits our curious minds. The sacred rite, unintentional lessons in anatomy. The practice of mummification is key. It was a sacred religious ritual, a way to prepare for the afterlife. Its primary goal was not scientific study. The Egyptians believed the body was essential for the soul's journey into the next world. So, they developed elaborate preservation methods. These methods, by necessity, involved anatomy, an unintentional classroom for the embalmers. They learned by doing, by touching, by seeing. The process began with the brain. It was often removed through the nasal passage. A long, hook-like instrument was carefully used. The brain, surprisingly, was usually discarded. They did not consider it the seat of intellect, or the source of personality or emotion. To them, its function was largely a mystery. This contrasts sharply with our modern view, where the brain is the command center of all. Next, an incision was made in the abdomen. Through this opening, organs were removed: the lungs, the liver, the stomach, and intestines. These were carefully preserved separately. Each organ was placed in a special container. Ancient papyrus, modern insights decoding medical knowledge. Beyond mummification, written records offer clues. Ancient medical texts have survived, scrolls of papyrus filled with ancient wisdom. Among them, the Edwin Smith Papyrus stands out. It is remarkably different from other texts. Less magic, more methodical observation. It reads like a practical medical handbook. A glimpse into a more rational approach, dealing with the physical realities of injury. This papyrus details 48 cases, mostly traumatic injuries head to toe, fractures, wounds, dislocations, and tumors. Each case is presented systematically: title, examination, diagnosis, and prognosis. Then, a recommended treatment, if any. This structured approach is surprisingly modern. It shows a careful, observational mind at work, attempting to understand and heal the body, based on what could be seen and felt. The Edwin Smith Papyrus reveals knowledge of the skeletal system, for instance. It describes skull fractures and spinal injuries. The writers understood broken bones and how to set them with splints. From magic to method, Egypt's enduring anatomical echoes. The ancient Egyptians employed rational treatments, as seen in texts like the Edwin Smith Papyrus. They used sutures to close wounds, splints to mend broken limbs, and bandages to protect injuries. Poultices made from plants or minerals were common. These practical methods show keen observation. But this scientific-like approach was not alone. It existed alongside another powerful force: the pervasive influence of magic. Magic and religious beliefs were deeply intertwined. With their understanding of health and disease, illness could be caused by angry gods or malevolent spirits invading the body. So, treatments often included spells and incantations. Amulets were worn for protection and healing. Priest-physicians would invoke deities. This blend of practical care and ritual was common in most ancient cultures, not a sign of ignorance but of their worldview. Religious reverence for the body also set limits. The deceased form was sacred, destined for rebirth. This meant systematic human dissection for study. As we know it today, was largely unthinkable.